guys, Wanderson here, and let's ride this beauty today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the special edition of Yamaha R15 version 2 2017. Just before the version 3, this one is the last model probably. And yeah, as you see, it is brand new. Looks cool, especially with this color paint, the splash paint. It feels like होली के दिन में जो balloon फेंक के मारते हैं ना, it is giving a feeling like that. Wow man, it looks perfectly like a kid of R1 maybe. Though it is little bit on the expensive side, but this is worth it guys. This is the trend setting bike here in India. So let's ride. Okay, this looks a lot accomplished. It feels like I'm holding her, with total attention, with total authority. Feels good. Generally, we don't feel like this on the naked bikes. Okay. Smooth. That is smooth. I don't think these mirrors are of a lot of use, but that's fine. Let's ride, baby. Okay, not bad. The power response is totally acceptable, man. It is smooth, guys. बहुत ऐसा solid लग रहा है. I'm grabbed inside the bike. I'm dust inside the bike and beautiful power delivery. Just 150cc, but very beautiful power delivery. This bike is, I guess, around 130, maybe more. But I can totally understand the kind of feeling it is giving. My total weight, the upper weight, is concentrated on my hands, so it feels a lot, grabbed, controlled, and confident. Kind of maneuverable. Very agile. I can move it with ease. Not bad. I'm getting a very confident feel. How can I explain this? Duke is a very hard bike in terms of revving and in terms of rideability. It is not smooth. This one is pretty smooth. Let's find out the braking. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, that was sweet. It is just 150cc guys, but it feels very tempting. Yes, it does feel very tempting. It feels like I should do a wheelie and stuff, but it's not possible in wheeling on this bike on this speed. But I'm very excited to ride this bike, man. Woo! So I must say the power band actually starts from the lower end. So after 1000 rpm, the power is right on the go up till I think 4500. So that is sweet. That is more than enough to give you a good riding power in the city. Not bad. Wow, that is smooth, guys. That is very smooth. And yes, the power delivery is lenient. It is very smooth up to the mark. Yamaha engine hai. What else do you want? It is not a bike for you to relax and ride. It demands aggressiveness. It demands total control on the bike so that you can You can rev it up, man. No doubt Yamaha is one of the best when it comes to motorcycles. In terms of comfort, I don't think this is a comfortable bike. What was that? Yeah, so riding in this kind of posture is fine for some time, but for long rides, I think no. But yes, in the city or on the tracks, definitely a wise choice. Wow, it is accomplished. It is solid on the road. It doesn't make you scared. It doesn't make you think that bike will skid unless and until you do stupid stuff. And by the way, the transmission, when I shift the gears, they are so smooth. It is like buttery smooth, guys. Feel नहीं होता है. When I shift the gear, feel नहीं हो रहा है. I mean, of course, it is a new bike. Of course, it will be that good when it comes to rideability. But believe me, guys, when I bought Duke or when I bought any other bike or when I ride any new bike from any friend or at the service center or for a test ride, I don't feel the transmission to be so smooth. This is like butter. It is like butter in the gearbox. Whoa. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You have control over the bike. This is what I'm talking about. Hard braking, not a problem. Maneuverability, not a problem. Agility, not a problem. You can really trespass the traffic. This power is best in this class, guys. This power is really best in this class. I wish I could own this bike. When I bought my first bike, it was really expensive and I couldn't buy it because my father, when saw this bike, the version 1, of course, I was small. I was like how much, 18 years old, and my father got scared watching this bike. So of course, no, this bike wasn't a good idea that time, but definitely this bike is a trendsetter. Definitely such a beautiful ride. Actually, I'm feeling a little stress on my wrist, but that is because I am not used to such kind of posture. I can totally understand the kind of cornering addiction any owner can get with this bike. I mean, it is so agile. Cornering में बहुत मजा आएगा. But whatever it is, a single piece of beauty. Beautiful quality, not bad. The quality of parts and everything, not bad. The windshield helps you avoid wind blast and riding stress because it's stuck inside the cockpit when you speed up, and of course that allows the wind to flow out. बहुत मजा आ रहा है चलाने में. Alright, so I think we should test the turning radius. Yep, let's do it. Okay. Whoa, I have not put my knee down at all. Beautiful. I'm really enjoying this bike. So let's test a little bit of off-roading. This is not actually off-roading area, it is just a ground, but we'll get an idea. So let's do it. Suspension is not bad. Considering it is a Fed motorcycle, suspension is really not bad. Okay, it doesn't lose the confidence. This is what I believe. Doesn't lose the confidence at all. So these kind of rides that I do, they are not technical, all know the specifications of the bike, but in general terms I'm telling that it has a disc at both the ends. Just in case you don't know, the shock up is here and it has also got a radiator. Yeah. When it comes to aerodynamics, this is a perfectly tuned bike for aerodynamics, so the wind blast is not a problem at all. I guess this has got some serious tires as well, so these are MRF revs. Oh, I believe these are new tires, so this should be sticky. Those are tubeless, by the way. It should hold the tar pretty good. So let's end this Wondersane first ride by my final thought. So I keep getting questions like which bike should I buy in 150cc? Should I buy a Duke 200 instead of R15, adding some money more, or should I buy any other bike? Well, see guys, when you buy this bike, what I feel personally is you are buying a royalty of a brand. No matter if you buy any bike. So Yamaha in terms is a world renowned brand. This is amazing bike with amazing ride quality and with some serious good quality parts. So I don't think this bike is the one you shouldn't pick if you have like around 1.4 lakh. And well, yeah, you don't get the power like a 200cc bike, but everything is not power. I don't believe a couple of bhp less would really matter that much. But the riding quality you get, that matters big time. And also the after service. So I think Yamaha is like in each and every nook and corner of the country, so there is no problem. By the way guys, yes, if you are looking for good braking, confidence and a good feedback, well, this is one for you. Amazing feedback, amazing brakes. And trust me guys, in this segment, the 150cc, this kind of power is the best in class. So I think that's it for this video. Hope you like this video guys. Please give a thumbs up if you have watched the video till here. Stay tuned on my Instagram page because I post a lot of pictures over there. So don't miss my Instagram and also my Facebook for channel updates. I'll see you in my another vlog. Like chalu rehta hai, uncle. I'll see you in some other vlog at some other place. Until next time, keep wandering. Peace out.